Lay the seat tube flat. Use an Allen wrench to tighten the screws on the folding seat tube. No need to tighten completely. Stand the seat tube upright. Snap on the folding handle. Remove the quick-release handlebar fixing screws. Place the handlebars on. Align the grooves of the upper and lower pressure blocks. Slide them in. Align the screw holes. On the blocks, adjust the handlebars. Place the washers. Put the screws through from below. Remove the quick-release handlebar. Place the cylindrical nut inside the handlebar as well. Tighten the screws. Pre-tighten the handlebar. Adjust the handlebar angle. Tighten the screws again. Open the folding handlebar. Take out a 6mm Allen wrench. Tighten the folding screws. Lock the folding handlebar. Next, let's install the basket. Take out a 3mm Allen wrench from the toolkit. Remove the screws on the frame. Place the basket on the frame. Tighten the screws diagonally. Finally, install the saddle.